Daryl here with Murdoch Hyundai in Linden. I wanted to take a couple of quick seconds and tell you about an amazing feature that a lot of Hyundai cars have right now. What I'm talking about today is the Atkinson engine. This amazing engine was actually, the front runner was designed for it in about 1888. What an Atkinson engine does is it is an improvement on many things of the internal combustion engine. Number one, it uses lower compression ratios to help move pistons up and down, which cause you to burn less fuel. Doesn't waste any energy as we lose through exhaust. It also expands the intake charge more. This is a great thing, helps you save a lot of gas mileage. Come on down to Murdoch Hyundai in Linden and ask me, I can tell you more about it.